One day we born, and one day we die. We working so hard in order to get what we want. We strive higher, driven us to work. But have you ever asked yourself, will those are going to be matter at the end? Let's delve into the philosophical concept of nihilism and explore the profound questions it raises about the purpose and meaning of our lives. Nihilism challenges us to contemplate why we invest so much time and effort in our daily pursuits when, ultimately, nothing may truly matter in the grand scheme of things. Why do we work tirelessly, strive for success, and chase after material possessions, knowing that they will all perish? Eventually, is there any inherent value in our actions and achievements if they are destined to fade away into oblivion? These questions may seem unsettling, but they encourage us to critically examine our existence and the choices we make. Nihilism invites us to confront the possibility that life may not have any inherent meaning or purpose. Instead, it suggests that the meaning we assign to our lives is subjective and constructed. Some might find this perspective disheartening, as it challenges the traditional notions of purpose and fulfillment. However, it also presents an opportunity for introspection and personal growth. By acknowledging the potential futility of our pursuits, we can reflect on what truly matters to us and what brings us genuine fulfillment. In a world where nothing seems to hold inherent meaning, we have the freedom to create our own purpose. We can search for meaning in relationships, personal connections, creativity, or the pursuit of knowledge. We can find purpose in acts of kindness, in making a positive impact on others, or in striving for personal growth and self-improvement. By questioning the purpose of our lives, we open ourselves up to a deeper exploration of our values and beliefs. We may find that our motivations and desires are not solely driven by external factors but are rooted in our inner selves. Understanding this can lead to a more authentic and fulfilling existence. Nihilism does not necessarily advocate for a life devoid of meaning. Rather, it invites us to critically evaluate the meaning we ascribe to our lives. It encourages us to challenge societal norms and expectations, to question the status quo, and to seek out our own truths. So, let's continue this conversation. What do you believe gives life meaning? Is it the pursuit of happiness, the search for knowledge, or perhaps something entirely different? How do you reconcile the potential futility of our actions with the desire to live a purposeful life?